देख सकते हो मेरी बाइक की मोटर खराब है, मोटर मेरी खराब है। अंकल जी के पास आए हूँ, देख सकते हो मेरी मोटर करने के लिए।
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things.
तो इसमें अंकल जी क्या कमी थी? अच्छा, तो आपको क्या लगता है चल जाएगी ये वाली मोटर? सहारनपुर में कोई और क्यों नहीं रिपेयर कर रहा था ये मोटर? अच्छा, अपना एड्रेस दे दो। मोबाइल नंबर?
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
ये बात या तो साइड में वो साइड में
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed me. All the music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got us come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. I'ma do shit